Lucy here, and I was wondering what are you going to do this Halloween? Actually, Alex and I have this really close group of friends and we are going to give a party to them, so please let me know what you are going to do in the comments below. So today I have 3 amazing DIYs for you. The first one is going to be a spooky dream catcher. The second one, some tombstones. And the third one, floating candles. And in this case, I don't know which one is my favorite. I love the 3 of them, and I hope you like it and enjoy it. So let's go! Our first design is going to be the spooky dream catcher. We are going to need a ring, black wool, black pipe cleaners, orange satin rattle cord, scissors, Halloween beads, black, white and orange feathers and hot glue. First, put the wool around the ring until you cover it all. Then, with one pipe cleaner, form a small circle and cut the remaining. This is the center of the spider web. Now, add a lot of pipe cleaners, securing them in the ring. All of the pipe cleaners are going to be secured by putting them around. In this case, around the ring. I'm making the curves, securing them, folding around the other pipe cleaners. Actually, this couldn't be easier, and I really love doing this. Oh yeah, it's looking cooler and cooler and cooler. Now I'm putting a pipe cleaner around one stripe of the satin rat tail cord in order to attach it to the dream catcher. Like this. And then just fold it around and cut the remaining part. For the beads, I'm putting a skull bead. Then I'm doing a knot. I cut small pieces of a pipe cleaner and fold one of them around, and then another knot, and then repeating the process over and over and over. For the bottom part, leave like 3 centimeters. And glue the feathers over it and secure it, folding a pipe cleaner around it. And now you can say goodbye to the good dreams and hello to the nightmares. Our next design are the tombstones. We are going to need a styrofoam sheet, a base, black and white paint so we can make different shades of red, a styrofoam cutter, measuring tape, green paint, cotton pads, hot glue, a brush, a spider, fake moss and dried leaves, and spider web. First, I'm making the shape of the tombstone. I wanted it a little creepier. Then cut it with a styrofoam cutter. Now just put it over the base and paint it all with medium gray shade. I'm adding a darker gray into my cotton pad and tap it over, so it looks long-standing. Now, with white paint, I'm drawing a spider web. And pasting RIP, rest in peace. Then add dark shade in the corners and glue the spider and some fake moss. Spooky. For the other design, I'm pasting a cute bat and the word boo. Then with the green paint, paint some moss. And glue the spider web and the dried leaves. Cute but spooky. Our last design is going to be the floating candles. We are going to need a white cardboard, scissors, candle lights, white crepe paper, hot glue, toilet paper rolls, white paint, a brush, nylon, and a needle. First, pierce 2 holes in the rolls. Now, draw circles of each paper roll, numbering them in order to know which is from each one. And cut them. Now, avoiding the holes, draw with the hot glue the dropping candle wax. And once it dries, paint it white. I apply 2 coats. Now glue it to the bottom part. Then cross the nylon through the holes. And fill the candle with the crepe paper. Then put the candle light at the top. Instead of spooky, this is like magic. This reminds me of Harry Potter. Hi guys, this is Ruti here and I hope you like it, enjoy it. Please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe and turn the notifications on. Bye!